Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X3 E83 versus the Audi Q5. We'll dive deep into what makes each of these luxury SUVs unique, helping you understand their core differences. Our goal is to provide a clear overview of their performance, interior design, and overall reliability. By the end, you'll have a better idea of which vehicle might be the perfect fit for your lifestyle and driving preferences. Let's get started with a detailed look at their key attributes. When it comes to performance, the BMW X3 E83 is often praised for its engaging and sporty driving dynamics, offering a more connected feel to the road. In contrast, the Audi Q5 typically delivers a smoother, more composed ride, prioritizing comfort and refinement. Both vehicles offer a range of engine choices, from efficient 4-cylinders to powerful 6-cylinders, with horsepower figures that can differ by over 50. Your preference for a spirited drive versus a plush journey will guide your choice here. Stepping inside, the BMW X3 E83 presents a functional, driver-centric cockpit, emphasizing ergonomics and straightforward controls. The Audi Q5, however, often features a more contemporary and upscale interior, with higher quality materials and a more sophisticated aesthetic. While both offer ample seating, cargo capacity can vary, with the X3 typically providing around 30 cubic feet behind the rear seats. Technology features also differ, reflecting their respective design philosophies and available options. Considering reliability and long-term value is crucial for any vehicle purchase. Both the BMW X3 E83 and the Audi Q5 have specific common issues that potential owners should research, such as suspension components or electrical quirks. Resale value is influenced by factors like maintenance history, mileage, and overall condition, with well-maintained examples holding their worth better. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.